Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Firefox browser on OPPO A77s. And to do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Right here, find the Firefox. Here we can install it. When it's ready, click on the Open. We can customize the browser with different theme, toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on Start Browsing, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.